Hello.
Ah,
Good afternoon.
bros. You don't come?
Yes.
Ah, you get luck, oh. I be one sell am.
Well, you wanted to sell my iPad
Now.
because of 12,000.
I don't go sell am. Don't tell you now, where be Lagos boys now? I know they know they trust you now. If you be say this is if no they won't work.
You're funny. Yeah.
They complete. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
My keep am now. I don't settle rookie. So na my own.
Oh, so you paid for me?
Yes now. Ah, she dey para. She para well say that me bring work come now. So I got settle am. No wahala, bros.
Uh, yeah.
What you want buy?
I don't want to buy anything. It's for you. You know, for all the stress I put you through.
Wait, bros. It's not dash money.
Yeah.
Ah! Bros!
You can.
No, I'm really this bros. Yeah, give me this kind of money. Bros, thank you. You dash money for you. Ah, bros, God go bless you. God go bless you. See, make I tell you, as they walk out like this, anybody who want look you bad, I go blind. Anybody who want use him bad and touch you, I go bent. See, I don't say if you even get village people, if village people they think, they plan bad thing, their body go bend. They go bend. Ross, Ross, God go bless you, Ross. Thank you.
By the way, what's your name?
Ah, my name is Onyechi. Well, you fit call me Oni. Everyone they call me Oni. You fit call me Oni.
My name is Daniel.
Ah, he be like Daniel. He says he does sponge. He wears suits. He can't be like Daniel.
So I have to go now.
No wahala, bros.
I'm really tired.
If you want buy pepper, buy tomato, buy onions, I dey.
Alright.
Now my shop be this.
Alright, thank you so much.
Bros Daniel. Shasa, Pastor Daniel. Hey. God bless you. Hey. See as God just bless me. Better luck. Look, you don't know what you do for me like this. Hey.
Hello?
Hello, boss. I've been trying to reach you for a while.
Gosh, Ozzy, what is it? It's barely 7 a.m. What do you want? It's their problem.
The client just moved the meeting from 11 a.m. to 8 a.m. He said he's going somewhere else. He said his flight is by 11 a.m. He doesn't know when he'll be back.
Okay. I'll be there, okay? I'll be there!
Move now. Ah. What's up? No. This one. What's this now? Hey God. I didn't go for it. Today of all days, how can I forget? What will I do now? What will I do? Oh. This kind of rubbish is this one. Good morning. Good morning. Please, I need your help.
Eh? Bros, abeg go. I no get money, they go. I know they call your church. Abeg.
I'm not asking you for money.
Bros, I say I no get money, they go. Which I don't understand with this. You need money for Monday morning. I don't think I don't say market today. I no wan call your church, they go, bros. I no get money, they give
I'm not asking for money. Please, I heard there's a black market around. You have to get fuel.
Now, fuel you want?
Yes.
Why you no talk? I'm saying you want fuel. Why you can't tell me say I need your help? They come now. For tell me say that fuel you want now. Where this guy? Rookie! Okay, wait, no vex. May I call him? This guy never come shop like this. No vex, so. Rookie, where you there? You never want concert market, Abi? Customer dey here, he want fuel. They come. Rookie, they come. No wahala. She dey come, bros. Abeg, no vex. You fit sit down for here. She dey come, She dey come.
Is he staying far from this place?
No, she no far. Now 5 minutes she go come. Now I pass.
God, I've told you I'm coming. Something came up.
I tried to tell them to hold on a bit, but he's crashing out, boss.
See, just tell them something. Tell them anything. Alright? I had an emergency. My car broke down. Well, it didn't actually break down. My phone got finished and I had to look for where they're selling fuel. See, basically, it's a long story. Alright? Basically, I need to fill my tank enough just to get me to the office. I'll be there. Alright?
Bros, no vex, so be like say you dey vex.
Please, the lady selling, so is she living?
Yeah, may I call her? No vex, you go come. Sorry, sir, I won't shout, give you. No say today na Monday, we know the setting for credit. Okay. Where you dey now? Boss the first. They come now. They no wan say market.
You just cancelled again. What will I do now? You just cancelled again.
What is going on? What are you still doing here? I thought you were out already.
Babe, I'm helpless. I need to be at work now. I have a client waiting for me. And my boss is not even there. The worst part is that all these rides are just cancelling on me.
I know, right? It is tedious getting ride in Lagos these days. I mean,
I don't know what to do.
you know what? Don't worry. I don't like you worried. I'll drive you to work.
I thought you were busy. I thought you have some meeting with some clients.
Don't worry about that. I've got you.
You're a lifesaver.
You know I don't like you bothered. So this is what we're going to do today. I'll come to your workplace and pick you up for lunch.
Okay.
Alright, let's get going.
I'm in a hurry.
My car key.
See you then.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'll miss you as well.
Good to see your face. You're telling me about your life.
This one. No verse, I beg, no verse. I beg, I dey come. Okay, bring her. Hey, Aga. Nah, 5 liters. This one.
Can we go?
Okay.
We wasted enough time.
Okay.
Please, can't this stuff go faster?
Okay, calm down now. See now, you don't almost finish.
Alright, thank you very much.
Oh, your body is hot so. Ha. Oh yeah, oh. My money now 12,000.
Eh?
What's it be here?
How much? How many liters is this one that you're saying?
Eh, now 5 liters now.
You collect transfer, abi?
Yes, Oga.
What's this one again? Now open now.
What's happen?
My bank app is not open.
Oga, try him. Maybe na network. Try him again.
I don't know why it's not open. I honestly don't know why it's not open.
Try him now. This kind of wahala. This one this afternoon.
See, since you're around here, let me just go to where I'm going. So when I come back, your shop is just here, right?
Now, Mama, you dey follow the talk, abi? First market, why I don't say? May you dey go, come back, come give me money.
I'll give you. I'm not ready.
Oga, calm down. If you don't ready, come meet me.
No. What? You can't just take my car key like
Oga.
that now. Madam, I'm talking to you. You can't just take my key like that now. Madam.
Wait. What did happen?
See, this kind of dirty market where you coming for this money, not like am. What's happening? Because you go buy for you, tell me say no fit transfer here. Transfer not dey work.
Bros, what's happened? If transfer not dey work, you do POS. I got POS.
I can't even do POS. I was rushing out of the house and I left my card at home. I left my wallet at home and everything. I tried to transfer, but my bank wasn't opening.
Bros.
It's not my fault, and she just took my key.
Bros, whose fault it can't be now? This one a story. That's collect our money now. What we go come do like this? We don't get. You said your transfer not dey work. POS. What we go come do?
I told her that let me just go. Then I'll come back later and I'll pay. Since
we know you. You know us. Don't be people we see you. Which one say make you go?
Why can't steal now? Do I look like somebody that
They
can
write
steal?
am for face. But you, as I tell like this, you know, I feel see. You know they write am for face. What we go do? Eh? What we go do like this?
I don't know. See, I'm running out of time.
You go get phone, bros. Bring for me and hold am. If you collect money finish, you will come collect your phone.
I can't give you my phone. How do I trust that I'll even meet you? Do you know how much the phone is?
No wahala na. You go dey here. You own key.
You dey my hand.
What we go do like this?
All right, fine. My iPad is in the car. You can hold that. Is that fine? See, just tell them I'm there. All right, I'm 5 minutes away. And also, please help me take my journal to the boardroom. I'll meet you there soon. Come, wait, I don't understand. They're the ones that rescheduled. They should have a little bit more patience now. Eh? But thank you for helping me out on this one. Thank you. I'll be there. Hello.
Ah,
Good afternoon.
bros, you don't come.
Yes.
Ah, you get luck, oh. I be one sell am.
Well, you wanted to sell my iPad
Eh now.
because of 12,000.
Why I no go sell am? Don't say you now, where be Lagos boys now? I know they know they trust you now. If you be say this is if no they even work.
You're funny. Yeah.
Very complete. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
May I keep am now? I don't settle rookie. So na my own.
Oh, so you paid for me?
Yes now. Ah, she dey para. She para well say that me bring work come now. So I got settle am. No wahala, bros.
Uh, yeah.
What you want buy?
I don't want to buy anything. It's for you. You know, for all the stress I put you through.
Wait, oh, bros. It's not dash money.
Yeah.
Ah! Bros!
You care?
No, I'm really this, bros. Yeah, give me this kind of money. Bros, thank you. You dash money for you. Ah, bros, God go bless you. God go bless you. See, make I tell you, as they walk out like this, anybody who want look you bad, I go blind. Anybody who want use him bad and touch you, I go bent. See, I don't say if you even get village people, if village people they think, they plan bad thing, their body go bend. They go bend. Ross, Ross, God go bless you, Ross. Thank you.
By the way, what's your name?
Ah, my name is Onyechi. Well, you fit call me Oni. Everyone they call me Oni. You fit call me Oni.
My name is Daniel.
Ah, you be like Daniel. It's as he does sponge. He wears suits. He can't be like Daniel.
So I have to go now.
No wahala, bros.
I'm really tired.
If you want buy pepper, buy tomato, buy onions, I dey. Now my shop be this.
Alright, thank you so much.
Bros Daniel, Shasa, Pastor Daniel. Hey, God bless you. Hey, see as God just bless me. Better luck. Look, you don't know what you do for me like this. Hey, anybody wey want jam you? Now your motor go jam, not be your motor go jam. So sweet, my body. Chai, that's a close shop, oh. I close my market like this.
Yeah. Do not worry about it. Cancel all the appointments. I'll attend to them tomorrow. Okay.
Babe. Babe, I'm back. How are you? How was your day? What is wrong?
Where are you coming from?
I was at work.
Work. I came to your workplace to pick you for lunch, but you weren't there.
Babe.
I called your phone. You did not answer. I texted you. You did not reply. Why?
Babe, after the successful meeting with our client today, we went out to celebrate. But wait, you won't believe what happened to Daniel today. He bought fuel and he was not with his ATM card. Do you know what these people did to my best friend? Eh? They seized his iPad. My whole best friend. All because of self-care. They seized my best friend's iPad because of...
What's it?
What is wrong?
Am I a joke to you? Are we a joke to you?
What do you mean?
So, there was something wrong with what you did? Tell me.
Daniel is just my best friend.
And I'm your man! I am your partner! I should be your best friend, not him!
I think you're forgetting something here. Daniel has been my best friend even before I knew you.
And I'm here now. I am here. You should stop being your best friend.
Where is all this jealousy coming from? No, I'm tired. I just came back.
Wait, Ross. It's not dash money. Ah! Ross! No, I'm really this, Ross. Yeah, give me this kind of money. Ross, thank you. You dash money this money. Ah, bros, God go bless you. God go bless you. See, make I tell you, as they walk out like this, anybody.
What are you saying, Daniel? You're so funny. Please don't start. No, I calculated it. I did. It's accurate. You remember that time that you failed maths? Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten? Let me remind you now. Oh my god. Yes. It's accurate. I promise you. You see why it's not good to work for your friend? You see? No problem. That's so funny. Okay, I'm writing it down. Hi, babe. How are you doing? Oh my god. See, you're owing me lunch. I'm serious. You're owing me lunch. You're so funny. Okay, send me the email. You're so funny. Daniel, please don't. This is work. See, this is work. Let's take it serious. Yes, just send me the email. Let me send it to my clients first, so you wait for the feedback. Like, you're so funny. I'll do you back.
How does this even make any sense? Male bestie my foot. Oh, goodness. I really love Rosie, but I seem invisible in this relationship. I am not abusive. I care for her. I support her. But But she seemed to be too drawn to that Daniel of a guy. Should I confront him? No. That's petty. Oh, goodness. I can't let this continue. I cannot.
So when you come my side.
Yeah. How you doing?
Welcome, why they fine?
So I was in the neighborhood and I decided to come, properly thank you for last time.
Bros, you don't tell me thank you now. You who can dash me money on top. Which one pass that thank you? Eh?
I also got this for you.
Bros, you dash me money, you can't even buy something join. I beg you want sit. I beg sit down.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, bros. Thank you.
Yeah, and so there's this place where I normally have lunch around here, like a nice restaurant. Would you want to have lunch with me?
Bros, this one wey you don't do. I beg. I mean, if I gas dey here sell my market, and I even carry food come from house, so maybe next time if you do that one.
So next time, when next time?
Maybe if you do Saturday, I dey close early for Saturday.
Okay then, Saturday it is. I'll see you on Saturday.
No wahala now.
Alright. So I'll get going now.
No wahala. Thank you.
No problem.
God go bless you.
So, how's business?
They push on. They push small. Because like this, I feel push shop. I know go miss anything. Go see a push.
So how do you cope? It's like the shop rent, house rent, all that stuff.
House rent for this Lagos. But me, I know the pay rent though. Another my friend house. Me and I dey stay for our boyfriend house. They stay for one room.
Aren't you uncomfortable? Aren't you uncomfortable?
Not dey easy. Well, just manage. About this my business, I dey see food shop. I also from this business, I take send money, give my people for village. Wetin happen?
Nothing. I mean, you seem like a good person, and good people are hard to come by these days. Everybody likes money. They want money.
Yes, so me sef I like money.
So, How about we be friends?
Oh, be friends. What's the first you doing now? If you don't be friends, you carry me come here. They chop this kind of food. Many they chop like it's not friends with me. Or this food sweet too. That's the cooker, rice, chicken, egg. I no even know wetin this one be, but I don't come out time. I mean, I like chicken. This kind of chicken I dey like chop for Christmas.
Oh, so you have a specific chicken, or you just like chicken?
You know they big with this one, but I like chicken. I fit use my hand chop, but this one you come dey hurt me.
Una comot again.
Come on though. The guy get money oh. He get money and a better person in there. He don dey do many things. You see himself come dey do me somehow for wetin? Because how person like that wey get money? Wetin in that kind person dey find for where I dey?
You suppose know say the guy like you and he want friend you.
Which kind? Wait. I no dey even understand wetin you dey talk like this. Na him dey come here.
Hey, remember the other day when we were out and you mentioned your love for chicken?
I remember now.
So I'll be making a chicken dish tomorrow and I thought to invite you. Would you like to come?
Yeah, so I go like come.
Alright then. I'll pick you up from the shop tomorrow by 4 p.m. Have a nice day on you.
No wahala. Bye-bye. Wetin dey do you?
Abeg you. Man don invite you come chop food now. You don't do like gbanje.
You know say na your type dey catch, dey do ritual. Man invite me come here as your body dey sweet you, dey do. No be you dey complain say I comot, I no dey see my market.
This girl too dey take life serious. I know say you don dey used to dey do things by yourself. As dem wan help you, let them help you. Enjoy your life small now.
Hey, sister. Hey, thank you. Wetin you wan buy? No, I wan buy. Okay. Only pepper you want, no more tomato. Get tomato. Wow, onions to go. Wow. It's not 200. See you. I give you extra. Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you sure you're not overthinking this thing?
What do you mean overthinking this thing, guy? I'm telling you what's going on in my house and you're telling me overthinking. You think I'm making this up?
I mean, she might just be talking to him as a friend.
I am a man. Alright? I am a man. That kind of closeness is not just platonic. Honestly. She talks to him every single day. When she's back from work. Then she goes to work in the morning talking to him. Do you know the worst part? The one that busts my head is that this guy will take her out. They will have laundry. He will not bring her back to my house at my gate. Do you understand?
Now, wow. This one is too much. The guy is just doing too much.
You know what I want to do? You know I want to settle down with this girl, right? I mean, I cannot settle down with this girl like this now. If I'm not able to talk to her now, if I'm not able to control her now that we're still dating, do you think I'll be able to control her when we're married? No, now. She doesn't listen to me. She doesn't take advice from me. She literally does everything that was it Daniel or whatever, says that she should do. I do not have a place in her life. I do not have a say in her life. How do you expect me to marry that kind of girl? I'll be shooting myself now. Do you understand?
Bro, I honestly think you need to sit her down and pour out your heart to her. You need to explain that she cannot have another best friend apart from you.
Bro, I have tried though. I have. I've done everything I know. I've sat her down, I've cried, I have complained. But after everything, brother, after everything, it continues happening. Listen, I love Rosie. And I want to spend the rest of my life with her. But the way things are going right now, I don't know. I don't know.
Bro, don't worry too much. I am sure things can still work out. Just give her one more chance. Talk to her. I believe you guys can work this thing out.
Alright, thank you.
To my humble abode.
Now this house they go home.
Ah, gross, this one a proud house now. Suppose say, welcome to my proud house.
Your house fine. It fine well.
Thank you. And speaking of housing, I want us to talk about last year's sparkle.
What's he console? We may not chop that so may I no call you.
So I'm talking about you stayed in your friend's boyfriend's house.
Hey.
Sir, round manners, please come sit.
That one said, if na that one no be problem now. That's nothing. We dey run out.
Well, fact say you did run out doesn't make it right for you to stay in a one-bedroom apartment with your friend and her boyfriend. You sure you need your privacy, guy? You definitely need the house. Which is why I am willing to offer you accommodation. I have more rooms in this house that I can come than I. So, consent guest room.
Brazania.
Yeah, plus I could really do with your company.
Wait your maker stay for your house. My dear. Ambrose. I know fit to. I go day this house. This kind big firehouse like this, like on day. Bros, you know what you don't do for me? You want me I day here? I know it's no, but no, I plus I feel manage. I didn't manage.
It's not a product. You understand? And I want you to take your time to think about it. Like I said before, I have more rooms in this house than I need. And I prefer someone that I know to stay, but then would leave the road gent. Just take a minute. In the meantime, I have food in the kitchen. Would you like to eat? I have drinks. What would you like to drink?
When you be like say your village people don't sweat now, so suffer. You go dey suffer for Lagos. Because stay here, they will give you free house. You say you know what?
So as I dey like this, person wey I no know am where. I go just pack my things. Say I won't go stay for your house. It makes sense.
But that man no be like bad person.
They dey write bad person for face. It dey show say I dey bad for face.
When that man no say you get people. For this area, you get people. So you no fit do you bad.
Okay. That man don't too try. I don't want to stop him. He don't try, I beg.
When the man complain, he complain give you. No be say I dey pursue you. But you know say house no be stay. No be my own. And my man get am, and even if say no dey talk, you know why they be now.
I get wetin they try talk, sha. It makes sense, but I just dey fear. The man him be. If I go in house, now you can't try misbehave. What's that?
Not talk am, you no go try am. When you know say you get, why you want to start? You no go try am now. Yeah?
See, okay, I don't
No rookie me. Leave rookie first. This kind of opportunity, you know they see am 2 times, so he come to the mom say he go come to you. Oh, yeah, more do one like this. You go the place. Maybe stay for like 2 weeks. If you don't like him, you come back. I'm not the pursue. You come back as.
You asked her to do what? You don't even know this person well.
We've been friends for some time and she's a nice person.
You don't know that. Half of the people in this country are pretending to be nice. For all you know, this girl might actually be a thief.
Look, ridiculous. She's not a thief.
I don't like that.
Listen, we've been friends for a long time, right?
Yes.
When have you ever doubted my judgment?
Every day at work.
True. I mean, the cons of being friends with your boss. But trust me, she's cool. And if eventually I don't like her being here, I could always ask her to leave. It's not a big deal.
Seems like you've already made up your mind. Like you said, she didn't agree. And let's hope it stays that way.
One second. Someone's calling. I speak of the devil. Hello? Yeah. Sure. You can come. Don't worry about it. You're welcome. Alright.
So?
Let's just say your prayers were not answered. She has agreed to stay. So, this is your room?
Now my room with this.
Yeah.
Now me get this room.
Yes.
Now let me go there.
Do you not want to be alone? Of course, it's only you in the room.
What? I feel that.
Sure, it's your room.
Hey, boss. Boss, the bed, boss. The bed. Boss. Now my room with this. Now me get this room.
Yes.
Boss, I even get AC. I get AC join like this. I get cotton. Boss.
Hey.
God bless you.
No, it's okay.
Boss,
Please
go,
get up.
Go bless you.
Can you
Boss,
get up?
go bless you. Go bless you.
Amen.
Go bless you.
Amen.
Go bless you.
Okay.
Go bless you. Chai!
It's alright.
Let me get this place.
Yes. I mean,
this place be like paradise.
I guess.
Come on, picking go there for this kind of place.
It's okay. Alright, it's nothing. It's not.
Rosie, this one has something. Now big thing you do like this. If not for you, why go there for this kind of house? See house where you dey. Now me go over get room, big room like this. Now 5 people fit dey this bed though.
It's okay. Alright, I'll just let you settle in. Or if you need anything, I'll be upstairs. You can come call me. Alright?
Wait.
If you need something, you can come call me upstairs.
If I need something at if I be. I go need something. You don't do this kind of thing for me. I go still need something at if I be. Kai! Now my room with this. Hey!
Yes. So I'll let you settle down. Alright?
No matter.
Alright.
God bless you, bros.
Okay.
Pick. Make this girl pick. She goes face me. Pick now! Rookie! I show you. You dey see am? See where I dey?
Oye. Hey, Jesus.
You dey see am? See, I get cotton. I get like 1, 2, 3. See here. I even get AC. I get AC. Rookie, see my bed. Let me go there for this bed.
Hey, if I well, God will bless this man. God bless him well.
Chai! See, I did say, I just want sleep for this bed. Everywhere just cold. This place cold. You know they like that your house when they hot.
Sure you dey craze. I better do come push up or person dey wait for you.
May I can't do it. I better go. I want rest like this. You know they hear me. Even God self rest. 7th day, he rest. Me self, this one na my 7th day. I go rest. I know they open shop. You see how? Make I change, I make you see me. Things don't change, oh. I dey chill with lamp. Chilling with the lamp. Hey. First, good morning.
What after?
I dey go my shop now. I go sell market.
Oh, okay.
No wahala.
I hope you don't mind me asking, don't you have a wig or something?
Bros. I no get wig go. Now for people who get money. No get wig. That's expensive. I know they do pass myself. How much are they make? And for this my small business, I won't take go buy wig. At this level I did like this.
I see.
Bros, I see me I tell you thank you. I know I don't tell you thank you, but I won't tell you thank you. This house why I did, they see my body. So
It's okay. It's okay, thank you a million times.
I go talk am again. Thank you.
It's alright. It's okay.
Oh voila. I go sell my market now.
No, 1 second. Here you go. I don't want you spending your money on transport, so from now on I'll take care of it. This one should do for the week. Take it now.
I don't know inside the talk like this. I'll say thank you.
It's okay. You don't need to say anything.
God go bless. God, I beg. You see this? God go bless you. When you dey bless am sharp.
Amen.
Go. God go bless you, bros. Where they go? God bless you. Come inside. Bros.
You're back?
Yes, so you if you don't come back. Welcome.
Thank you. So, I called you earlier to know if I should come pick you up from the shop.
You call me.
You didn't answer your phone. I even went to your shop and I saw that you already locked up.
You won't go my shop. I'm not coming now. Now this my tie phone. No say the brain they touch. So if it no even ring, I know they even see him. No vex.
It's okay.
Vex.
So I got you something. Yeah.
What can be this one?
I found a wig vendor and decided to get a couple for you. A couple wigs. I wanted you to wear them whenever you're going out. I mean, you're a young woman and stuff like this usually make young women look better.
Yes. This one not too much like this. Listen, it be like say it go there expensive or I know fit.
Actually, it's not. It's just 350.
You say waiting? 350,000. Now you dey tell me say you know they're expensive. Oh God, I beg, boss.
What are you doing?
I dey package them.
No.
Carry am go back.
No, it's okay, just take it.
No, they take them. On top this my head. What did in my head?
Make I wear hair. 350,000. No, I no fit.
No.
If I carry that money put am for my business, you know how much market I fit buy?
Yeah, I know.
I fit dey waka for road now, thief go slap me, collect the hair.
It's not that deep.
It dey deep.
It's just hair. Just take it, alright? It's a gift from me to you. Take it. It's fine.
No, it dey too much.
Just take it. Alright? It's not a big deal. There's one more in case you want to switch it up.
You dey I dey talk about this one. You dey tell me say you. Plus, why you dey buy it? It dey too much. I no need them.
It's okay. Just take it. Alright? I want to go upstairs and freshen up. I'm tired. It's okay.
No dey spend money like this, eh?
Okay.
Yes, I know they spend. I no need them. My head, this one why they wear like this, they okay. Eh? Which kind thing be this one? She not because they put this thing for box. Eh? See me now. Eh? I confine. Hey! Who go bless this man? Still no come straight like this. Why this side can't long pass this side? Eh? Who be my son? Eh? Let's see like this one. Hey! Head dey cry. See as the hair fine. Come fine. God bless Bruce. Hey! Hey! Hair now water! Go fine!
Only Becky. I know now. See you.
Thank you.
It's big ones. Now big ones me I define. See. I know. Wow. Take. Thank you. Oni. No, thank you. Oh.
Oh my God.
Oyi! Eh? Oyi, what you done thief?
Which one decide not the tea? It's now coming.
Wait first. Who you beat this money collect with for you?
This girl, what they worry you for it? Which kind talk be that one? You come my shop, come insult me.
But me and you know, see, you know go fit afford this one now. Feel like you say everything with there. No verse, but even say yourself, you know go fit buy am.
You dey craze? I dey ask you, dey craze so now this morning like this. Now insult you won't come insult me for my shop. Eh?
When you talk. You see, it's a fine.
So the thing it enter your eye now. You want ask me, oh yeah, you take buy this kind of hair way fine. It enter your eye. I beg you. I go tell you. Under my bros way fine. Now him buy am give me He say I be young girl, and as young girl where I be, I suppose they dress fine, they look fine. Wetin I go do now? I collect them.
Oh yeah, you and these bros. You fine, sha.
They come, they go. Come, they go. Go, they sell your own market.
Calm down now.
I go carry stuff. What you come up for here?
You never be like that.
They go. They go.
My girl, my friend.
So it enter your eye. You don't see am now. Say I don't fine. I be fine, babe. What do they do for here?
My friend.
They go. They go. Hey. Oni. I no see say Oni go get level for this life. I don't get level now. Food don't come. See food now. See
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is too much. How
Bros,
who is
you
going
know,
to
you
eat
know,
this?
now you go chop am. See as food day, but since I come here, I never cook. And that your cook food, I just they chop, they go. I beg you go chop this one.
But I'm not complaining.
I don't say you don't go complain, but I don't go dey this house. You go come, they pay that woman, make she they cook for you. See, bros, man, I tell you, if you chop this one where I cook it, to God, your life no go remain the same.
Like, that's what you people always say. If you chop see, you didn't even give me the proper bowl to wash my hand. How am I sure if you made the proper meal or you put the proper spices?
You get proper bowl where they take wash hand. I don't know that one, but see, I did,
Yeah,
bros.
don't worry.
I know they two talk, chop am.
Okay.
My own evidence they show, chop am.
Okay.
Chop
We'll
am.
see
I
about
know here
that.
they wait.
God,
Hey, no wahala now. God, we go see who go confirm am now. Yeah now.
all right.
Where they see your face? I think evidence go show. I dey wait. Hey, I tell you how you see am.
It's actually very nice. I'm not going to lie.
Nice. This is dey very nice. See, man, that place where they stay. If I cook like this, everybody go just gather. They beg me, onyi. It makes my open onyi canteen.
This is very nice. Though.
Very nice. I dey tell you now.
I actually doubted you, so I apologize.
Wahala. They talk say the way to a man heart na true in belle. May you no go come chop this one finish, you go come dey fall in love. No wahala. The chop dey go.
This is very good.
I know. The chop, itara mu ahụ n'anya. The chop dey go. First,
Yeah.
I don't wash plates, clean kitchen. I keep food for you for fridge. If you wake up for morning, you want chop. If you chop them,
Okay, thank you.
I go sleep.
Please, I have some things here. Just help me bring them. So I mentioned something about your clothes earlier. Yeah, so I went out today, took my time and got you some clothes. I even threw in a brand new phone there. I hope you like them.
Wait, you come out to go buy clothes. You won't buy phone. You
Yeah.
won't give me.
Just a couple of stuff.
Ross, I beg you, no vex. But wetin you want from me? No, bros, I beg you. Because me, I don't even can understand this one. You give me room for this your fine house. You see, give me money, say make I add them to my shop. You dey give me money for transport. Now you can't come out, go buy clothes, come buy phone. Bros, wait, you want my thing?
I don't want. You stop being.
No, bros, I did my own. You say make I did your house. I did your house. You say they give me money. You come buy me clothes. Come buy. Bros, what you want? I don't know what you want.
I don't want anything.
You don't want anything.
I just.
No. You don't want. You don't better because if to say na here you want. See, I don't use a paper like this. Cover am. Nothing, no road like this. No road, no dey this side. And for this side, I don't use plaster, and my husband get am.
All right, noted. Please, can you sit down?
May I sit down?
Yes, please. Just.
Oh.
So, since we are on the topic, I'll just be honest with you. Everything I've been doing, all these things I've been doing for you is because I like you.
You say wait, you like me? As how?
I want us to be friends.
Bros, now your friend I be now. Now why I dey your house now? Because I don't understand which kind of friend you come. Now I be your friend now. Now friends we be. Eh.
I'm saying that I love you and I want you to be my girlfriend.
Eh? You wait. Get waiting.
Good girlfriend.
Start no bros. From where to where? I don't understand. I don't this one I don't understand this one. May I be your girl waiting? As how? See where now down here I dey like this oh. You wait there up. May I be your waiting?
Hey, we can talk about
Bro, no, you don't get anything when we fit talk like this. Me and you know even dey the same level, bros. I bet we don't get talking when we go talk. I dey go sleep. May I go sleep, bro? May I go sleep?
At least come take your
May I go sleep?
Your clothes.
Hello?
Okay, what am Gason?
What's up? We touch you. Make a carry people come from area.
Okay, wait. He no touch me, no be that one. He tell me say he like he love me.
What's it called? That one a problem.
Which one be waiting could be the problem? You know they say he won't knock me. Now, how that kind of person go take like me?
What person no go like you? I don't understand. You no be human being. I bet no they think like that. See. If you be say I really like you and still want friend you now.
I don't even understand. Wetin I get? School I no go. Money I no get. I no even get breast, I no get nyash. So wetin you can see? I beg go.
I say make you know you talk like that. No go let this your low self-esteem spoil things for you. People will fall in love with you now, but you not be fine girl.
Akoko, story. You don't reach my turn now, in they fall in love. You be like say that Indian film where you dey watch, don't they enter your head because now only for that your film you go say rich man go fall for poor girl. I beg go. This one na real life and na Nigeria we dey. May you shine your eyes. You just want knock me. Now you making the buy things, buy things for me. I beg go.
Something special, a feeling so strong. You took me unawares, love swept me off my feet. Something special, a feeling so strong. Took me unawares, love swept me off my feet. Seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how touched by love. It seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how it feels to be touched by love. It seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how it feels to be touched by love.
Hey. Oh, wow, you look beautiful.
Thank you, bros. I no go find her. Now you dey take care of me.
Well, I could do more if only you let me. Oye, have you thought about what I said to you last night?
Bros, I beg, I won't go shop.
Oye, please wait. Oye.
Bros.
Come on.
Bros. You see that thing where you talk? You know if you walk.
Listen, I mean it. I really like you.
Bros, which one be say you like me? I don't even understand this kind of thing. Bros, you don't see yourself. You fresh. You get money. See aside, now you dey even help my life. Oh.
Just
see, bros. Since my mama born me, I no like if you. I never date fine boy. And me, I know what I dey avoid. I no fit down top high BP. Today fine boy no dey easy. Me, I dey jealous die. All my friends for village, they want down top fine boys where they date. Man, I don't know my level. I did one place like this.
Listen, you don't have to worry about anything.
You know be my spec.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
You wait till I talk. I say you know be my spec. And me, I no say plenty girls they way like you. But me, I no be plenty girls. The kind men they me I they like na men way war. Men way no get head, we no go school. No book. Because me I no book. Eh?
Are you being serious right now?
Boss, I beg, when I go shop, go see my market. I beg.
Try. Ah! Oh, sorry. No, wait. You pierced my mouth.
No, I'm not.
The nails are long. Yeah, okay. Wait now. Okay. This one, you get this one now.
No, I'm not doing it.
I'm not playing. No jokes. Come on, trust me.
I did it.
For real?
I'm not doing it again.
I'll go. Girl, feed me. Go on. Go on. No, you pinch my lips.
No, I will not.
Okay. Nah, not this time. Business can wait. So,
why didn't you pick?
Come on, this is your time, no business time. Okay, so where were we? I was meant to feed you, right?
No, okay. I'm not doing it again.
Seriously.
I'm not.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I crossed my hands. Go on.
I'm not doing it again.
Okay. I'll close my eyes. Just like it. Jesus! Not to bite my fingers off.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. That's okay. Yeah.
Oh, it's Daniel. It must be about work. Hello? What is going on? Again?
Why you no wan leave this matter? Why I go leave the matter? When they do like what they follow for village? How many times I want tell you say people wey no dey the same level dey fall in love? Hey, only.
Rookie, you know say na you go put me for high jump. Eh? Abeg o, may I just dey my day dey wait for man wey dey my level. Man wey no go school, wey no know books. Because this one him too sabi, him English e too big. Ah, and he fine. And fine boys like that, they no dey deal with one woman. E no dey possible.
Why you dey judge a book by its cover? Eh? Why you dey quick conclude? Abi you never see people wey be say they're broke now, they ugly pass, they still dey cheat. Eh? Who wan cheat go cheat now?
This girl, she be no say this man, he fine. He get money, he con dey nice. If I date am, my mind no go fit touch ground. Abeg o.
People wey no believe in themselves dey talk like this. You too dey look yourself less. When you be fine, and you no dey look mirror. You be fine girl, you get good character. You come still dey hardworking. Eh? See na small money wey this guy dey give you. See your skin. Hey, this girl.
Rookie. You know me. I know they use my head, they take love. If I want love like this, I go use my kidney, my liver. I go will use brain. Eh? Abeg, I don't want die before my time. Make I dey my day. How did they take talk? Make I cut my clothes according to clothes where I want sew.
See people wey dey sew bubu Ghana, according to their size, they sew.
I be like person wey get money wey go sew bubu now.
You still want give me money?
Yeah. You know,
I
no go sell market. Stay here.
And they come, abeg wait.
Ah, you're watching a movie.
I don't even know what's in the show like this.
I think I've seen this one. It's a good one. So, truthfully, what's your stand on this?
Rose, you see this matter. I be think say me and you don't reason this thing. I don't tell you say na brother and sister we fit do. No fit do boyfriend and girlfriend. You no go work.
Well, it's okay. I've heard you. Honestly, I like you a lot, and I want to be more than just friends with you. But at the same time, I have to acknowledge your decision. So, if you want to be just guys, then sure. We could be just guys. Just friends.
Eh. Bros, too well. Hey, I dey happy like this, so I dey happy say you won't do it in my mind. Because you are for gas, water for pass Gary, wahala for don't wear trouser come. If to say you say you must do this boyfriend girlfriend thing. What's happen?
No, it's your pigeon.
What things were?
The way you speak pigeon is funny.
No see am now. Sabi speak English. Me na pidgin I sabi.
If they come join them, you no go work. You don't fit mix soil and water. If you mix them together.
I think we need to look into getting you a tutor, like a teacher, to teach you how to speak good English. What do you think?
You want bring person make you teach me how to speak English? Ah, bros. Abeg go, this one too much oh. Abeg, I no go get money to take pay you.
Come on, don't be silly. I'm not asking you to pay me. I mean, we're guys now, right?
Who go come pay?
I will pay.
Bros.
It's okay. Since we're guys, it's nothing.
Which kind of person you be? She na angel you be?
So I get that sometimes. People call me.
If you be angel, oh. I swear. Boss, you don't do plenty things. I beg. Just leave this one. Leave him. I no go sabi. I no fit sabi. Just leave him, I beg.
It's not a problem. We'll look into it. I mean, since you're my guy, it's no big deal.
Voila. Thank you. I don't play.
I'm sure that's the correct call.
Now.
Aha. Let's go. Play.
You don't change them.
Play. Play. Touch. Yeah, play. Jen.
You never get continue.
Calm down.
You said carry Jen.
You know I've won this game like this.
Win. No wala.
I've won this game.
No wala.
Rihanna, pick two first.
Complete them now.
ASAP. As I'm playing, pick another two. Carry on. Semi. Think you are good.
Bros, you cheat too. You cheat. Diana. I want the queen.
Play.
I don't play.
It's meant to play. I've won you.
What's happened?
Hold on. Last card. Check up.
Bros, you cheat.
How?
You cheat.
How?
Bros, you cheat.
How now?
Something special. Feeling so strong. It took me unawares. Love swept me off my feet. Something special. A feeling so strong. It took me unawares. Love swept me off my feet. Seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how it feels to be touched by love. It seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how it feels to be touched by love. It seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how it feels to be touched by love. touched by love.
Oh, eh? You see as you dey stay. This guy get money, oh. I tell you. Hey! Ah, God. Will no be you? You would escort with us that time. The place say nothing good dey happen for your life. When you see your skin. Eh? See wig wey dey your head, my friend. Hey, which day they call am that time? Lose you ring. Hey!
My friend!
So, well, God of finally put how you wait. God, oh. God, the things still they do me like thing. Tell a man why I meet for rule. Now ain't God take use blessing like this. Smash. You know what he saying? Talk say that place for the send the markets in walker. Say all go shop dinner. Or my the go show. Even internet is I go crazy. Cover house. Honey, my friend don't how big Madame Lebo. Big I never reach the madam. I don't like shabby soft like more it style. Please help me do my own now. I don't understand for me which time I go do now. Who won't get you back up, bobo? Don't be saying never stand. Just the improvement God bless her. Okay, little one. Hey, I beg, don't vex. You see the drink. We get juice. We will get wine. Oh, the wine of my old wife piggy. Why they ask? I go make her bring wine. We drink wine. I don't finish. I'll go out.
Yeah, this one's very dead, right? Have you died here before?
No.
Oh, why did you say no like that?
I don't want to do that.
Why no? I've died mine before, but once though.
Oh.
I forgot to now. There was one time. You're back.
Ross, I don't know say you dey here. I mean, they wait you for my shop. Since say you go come carry me.
Oh, why? Is there a problem?
No.
Hi, my name is Rose, and you are Onye. Yes, Onye. Daniel has said something nice things about you. What is wrong with her?
Well, she's probably having a bad day.
But she's jealous.
Why should be jealous? I told you she doesn't like me.
That is mama.
My guy. Oh, by the way, if your ride isn't here, I could just drop you off.
I drove you.
Sorry.
I know my car is new, but try to remember that I have a car now.
Okay, well, I could still throw in a few jabs once in a while.
Come and see me up, Joe.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah. Voila, you have a car now. It's okay.
What's happened?
Are we fighting?
No be you knock. So what's happened?
I just came to ask you to come eat.
I don't want chop. Hunger no dey catch me.
Okay.
Why this thing can't dey pay me? He no be my boyfriend and I no be him girlfriend. Wetin come consign me now?
Hello? Babe, where are you?
Babe, I'm stuck in traffic.
Oh, okay. I thought we agreed you're going to cook today, so what happened? I didn't find any food in the kitchen.
Babe, I'm sorry. I was watching a movie with Dan. It skipped my mind.
You were what?
I was watching a movie with Dan.
Don't I have television in my house? But is this why you didn't cook for me? Really?
I just wanted to spend time with Dan.
And I go hungry? I just got back from work. I am hungry. What do I do?
Babe, you're overreacting.
I'm overreacting.
I'm so sorry. But you could have just fixed yourself something to eat instead of staying hungry. I'll be back soon.
Babe. 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 We need to talk.
Talk about what?
I find what happened earlier very insulting. We talked about you making something for me to eat. You left it. You were seeing a movie with Dan. You preferred to stay and see a movie with Dan instead of coming back home to make something for your man. Why?
Babe, I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry. I thought you would have fixed something to eat. We finished late and we decided to see some movies. You know you're important to me. I'm so sorry.
Am I?
Yes, you are.
Rosie, if Dan should call you by 2 a.m. and tell you that maybe he's hungry or has a migraine or something, you that I know would do anything to make sure he's all right. Can even book an Uber and go to his place that night. But me, you don't take care of me. You don't look at... When was the last time you took care of a man? Tell me. When? This house misses the presence of a woman. You don't cook for me. You don't watch for me. You don't care about me.
Babe, I'm sorry. It's not happening again. I promise you. And tomorrow, I'm going to make it something delicious to eat. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's not happening again. I promise. Babe, sorry now. It will not happen again.
Ross, Ross, I see, may I tell you I'm sorry for the way I behave yesterday night. No vex.
Yeah, well, I was surprised. Are you okay though?
I no lie, I know they fine, but I don't dey fine now.
Okay, so what was wrong with you yesterday?
Ross, na woman thing they do me. Now they take do us now. Na woman.
Oh, you mean menstrual cramps?
Na him.
Ah.
Na that cramp.
So that was why you were angry?
I think they make me vex, so I vex.
Okay. Well, the guy called menstrual cramps.
Yeah?
See why they make my guy vex. Oh, call him.
I beg go. No call him. Bros.
Menstrual cramps don't come.
Eh?
No mind me. Please help me check who's at the door.
No one.
Oh, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Okay, so my guy, I'll see you later this evening, okay? We got here quite early.
My bestie. Only you get bestie. You go come man house, they find bestie. You know, see woman use, as you go use woman do bestie, now man they use do bestie. Man no train you now, I don't see him. I bestie. Don't say it, even the whole land for wait to say I bestie. Now wait, suppose the whole bestie.
Until you come sit down, maybe you can't tell me what you talk.
Oh, you sit down. See, I know they like to see woman hand up. I think they pepper my body.
Wait. If you feel like this, means you don't follow. Eh? When you don't fall for this man.
I don't understand. Which one beside I don't fall? They fall, they go where? I ask you now. I fall as how? Where they fall, they go? I better go.
Auntie, calm down. Drop your pen, you better talk truth now. You don't fall.
I say I know fall. You know they hear me. If I want to fall, I could take fall for fine boy. Maybe they can't use my hands. Play. Scatter, they break them. I better go.
You know you they play with opportunity. This man don't want to tell you say he like you. You say you know once. Say make now you do guys. Now you don't move on. You they jealous. Why?
Me are they jealous? Because a woman come man house. Come they laugh like gorilla. She don't even feel comport herself as woman when she She they laugh, they fall, they gun body and they gun body the man as waiting. Now why she no go feel laugh day and day?
Wait, wait first. It concern you. Now your house, now your body.
Why she dey gun body am? Why she no gun body chair? Why must she gun body am?
See your face.
You talk say you dey hungry, abi? May I go bring food?
Like running. Like not accept the truth. Hey. This girl just jealous. Eh? What's it concern you concern who they fall for each other body?
Why is Danny not taking his phone?
Hey, Auntie.
Hello, excuse me.
Excuse you too. Who you define? Who you be?
Well, I'm Viv and you are?
I dey stay for here. Now that one is supposed to know. Who you define?
Oh, you must be new. I'm looking for my Danny. He's not taking his phone.
Your
Please, can you help
Danny?
me call him? Yes.
Hey, starting when? How many women they won't come find this man like this?
His car is inside, so he must be inside. Please just tell him Viv is outside.
See, Auntie, now from work I dey come. And na rest I won't go rest. If you call person in no pick, what you go do? No be to dey go your house. Oh yeah, they go your house now.
Why are you being so rude about it? I don't understand. Just go in and tell Danny that Viv is outside. That's all. I don't get it.
No vex. No vex. Auntie, no vex. I go inside, go tell him, say, he dey wait. I go tell him, wait here.
Open the door for me.
I say, may you wait, I go tell her. I don't know who you be. You feel be thief, you feel be killer. I know you know me. So they here, may I tell him? If I tell him finish here, they here. Oh. Hey, Auntie. I say, may you dey here, they come, make I tell him. No, they here. They here, they come.
Such a local girl. Jeez.
They find person.
See me outside like
I
this.
look for my Danny. Nonsense woman. Nonsense. Nonsense. Ross. You there?
Yes, I thought I heard you talking to someone.
Me? Now my brother dey follow talk. Now him I dey follow talk.
Okay.
Bros, where your phone dey?
My phone? It's probably in one of the rooms upstairs. I mean, I'm working and the phone is even on silent. Why?
I don't say you dey work. Now make I dey ask. I just want make you focus. Just focus like this. They do wetin they do. May I go bath? If I bath finish, I go bring food come. But focus. They here.
Fine, but are you sure you're okay?
I dey fine. I dey come. I dey fine. May I go bath come?
Ross. Someone came here to see me. And you didn't tell me why. What do you mean, Viv told you to come and tell me that she was here to see me and you didn't tell me.
I forget. I forget.
How is that possible? I asked you if you were talking to someone earlier, you told me no. Whereas you could have told me that someone was here to see me. You made us stand outside. Why would you do that?
Bros, wait. I forget now. Bros, you never shout give me like this before. Because if that woman come, because they shout give me like this.
Come, what's wrong with you? Like, what's wrong with you this period? What's wrong with you?
No, I forget. I been forget now. I forget.
I don't think I forget. She won't come see person. She come red lipstick like witch. You know me, you see her makeup. Now you see her makeup. If you see that woman, there you go fear.
Come. What does her makeup have to do with anything? What? She stood outside for nearly 2 hours. 2 hours! Don't you see anything wrong in what you did?
I forget.
Yeah, hello, Vin. Yeah, I'm sorry, I know. I'll meet you there. Just let me know the hotel you've chosen. Alright.
Bros, hotel. Bros. Bros, wait. I beg,
What is this? What is this?
Wait.
What?
Wait. Hey, bros, I know say you dey vex. I beg, but no vex. Wait, you dey follow that one go hotel?
Yes, and so?
So? Bros, you know I'm where? See, the eye why they take see that woman. She will be serial killer. She not dey normal like normal people they dey. Bros, I beg no.
Can you stop being dramatic?
I know dey.
Can you stop being dramatic? If you had told me earlier that she was here to see me, I wouldn't have to go out this night. She is not a serial killer.
Bros, she will be thief. If she not be serial killer, na thief she be. And na blood sucking thief. I say I know say I think the kind makeup wey she rub red lipstick. Now your blood she dey target. But me I no go agree make she suck your blood.
When I leave, you lock the door. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Bros, wait, you know they come house. Bro, you go sleep outside, bros.
Did you get up early or you just slept? Yeah.
I know. You tell me say you don't go come house. So how I go take sleep when I know say you don't go sleep for house?
I'm not a child. Alright? I've told you.
I know wetin I talk. If to say that girl kill you throw away for night, wetin for happen? I know where you go. I don't know now. So I go take sleep. I sit down here dey wait me you come back.
Viv is harmless. She can't do anything to hurt. And she's very pissed, by the way, because of what happened last time. I had to plead on your behalf.
Who send you that one? Why you dey plead? Wetin make you dey plead? I beg you make you plead. Wait, say na plead you go hotel go plead. Why you no plead for phone now? Why you go hotel?
What's the matter with you? What is your problem? If you have something to say it! And stop beating around the bush. So nothing. I'm going upstairs. I'm very tired. I want to sleep.
Why you no go tire? You don't go plead for night, Mr. Pleader.
Okay. Like say wetin you talk don't dey happen true. I don't dey like Bros Daniel.
Wait. You should not be Bros Daniel again. You call him Daniel now. And if you like him, no wahala. Tell him now.
May I do wetin? May I tell him? May I put this in my mouth and tell him say I like him? Person when me I tell him say he no be my spec. From where to where?
And this one you go do now. You go find another girl. Shey your body go calm down, abi?
I beg, I no fit tell him more. I no fit. Maybe what this girl just leave am. Maybe they did their house now. Now.
And this character wey you dey do so, he now go so chase you comot for this house. You like person, tell am. She dey say true love no dey die, abi? If he love you true true, if you tell am, he go accept you now.
Okay, if I come tell him now say I like him, he come tell me say he no like me again. Wetin I go come do? Me no go fit face am o. Like she no go even gree me I comot for this room. Now.
And this low self-esteem wey you get dey vex me. This fine man, hi, man fine finish come meet you, tell you say he like you. I don't like you, you no be my spec. You dey get spec. Oh yeah now, what do you want to do now?
Abeg, I no fit talk. I no fit. When we say make these girls, they make they leave am now. Make they leave bros down there. See bros down there like this thing. If I dey sleep, I dey dream of am. I dey see am for my dream. I dey love am.
You say you no want am. Let girls carry him now. You no go talk, abi? Leave am. They look am, make they carry am for your hand. See that one you go like, abi? If you dey tell person now, you go dey form say na you no pass. Okay now.
Wetin you wan make I come do now? Wetin I go tell am?
Bros, I be wan even come call you. I tell you say food done ready. No chop. You come. No chop.
I'm sorry, I forgot to mention. I'll be going out to have breakfast with Rosie today, so I won't be able to eat. Just put it in the freezer and I'll eat it at night. Okay? Thank you. By the way, have you seen my iPad? I'm looking for it.
I don't see him now.
It's probably in the car.
I pack food now. No one chop food while I cook now. What's happened?
My key, my car key.
Where is it?
I don't know. It's supposed to be here.
Maybe you don't leave him for your room now.
No, I never take it upstairs. I always put it here.
You keep him for here?
Yeah, I kept it here. No, last time I came, I kept it here and I didn't leave.
Where the thing can go now? Where is it?
Are you sure I didn't mistakenly put it somewhere where it
No. I don't put him for anywhere. I couldn't hear. I don't see him. Where the thing can go? You say you keep him for here? You sure?
It's always here.
No, they use. No, they use. Where this thing come dey? This is dey shock me. I be the key don't fly. This one dey shock me. Check.
Tell me on your way, Dan.
I'm not on my way. I'm still at home. I'm looking for my car keys.
Fine, I thought you were going to lie.
What does that mean?
Strange things have been going on with you lately, Dan. Anyway,
I'm in front of your house. I had him package the food.
Ah, okay. I'm coming outside.
Bros, you go outside. Go.
Where is it outside?
What did she fight for here now?
Come, don't start. Don't start any fights. Do you understand?
So now me they fight now. And now me they fight. Now me wake up for morning, cook better food for you, but now you won't come out go chop food for outside.
I told you that I'm going to have breakfast with Rosie.
Why she go buy food for you outside? Now man you be, man they chop for house. Why man go they chop food where person buy for
What's
outside?
your problem? What is your problem? Everything I do seems to be a problem to you. So what is it?
No, this will not be problem. Make you tell her make she wait. Say I cook food for you for outside, make she wait. She dey buy food for man wey get house. I don't understand that one. Where she dey wait?
I don't have time for this.
Ross.
Yo, I still can't believe that you were now calling me and used to.
Hi.
So now this thing where she cook like
Hey! Isn't this the key we were both looking for just now? How did it get here?
Hey, how did he take enter here?
That's what I'm asking you. How did my car key get here?
How waiting me to they ask me? How did he take enter here? I don't know. It shock me. This they happen. I swear. Hey, if it be see that time where they clean here, the thing go enter the rag.
So the thing just magically entered. The same key we've been looking for how long?
I say no, not be me hold this thing like this. I will take all your key because they find I been. I don't know. The thing be as I keep on here, it can't cover, can't enter the rag. I don't know what you want make me talk. Not be me my double. I don't know. Why can't they look me? Why you two they look me? Me, I don't know. I go my friend's side because this one why they look me. You can't they look me like saying I me take the key. I know they like this kind of thing though. I know they like them. I will keep this for joy. Wait, go team go fit teeth me too.
Hey. It's okay.
I don't.
It's okay. Come on. It's okay. So much drama.
I know it's not good to.
Are you sure you're going to be okay?
Why?
I mean, she's a woman that you love. Pretend all you want that. It's obvious that you still love her. You're struggling with your feelings for her. Yes, she's acting up. So I'm right to be worried. So you're going to be okay? I feel like this gets to you too.
Let's just.
I'm a woman, so know these things.
Easy, stop. Okay, don't make up big and put in that egg. Just. Shit, that's it. Well, even to be that's this one. Sure.
I carry dream.
God. I'm doing help. See, I don't want anybody to stress like this thing. Though I'm going to sweep all this under the carpets. Okay? But to me, this game is structure. Because that's the easiest explanation for all this are asking of.
Yes, to stay here. Hey.
Oh, what are you doing?
Are they clean now?
Dressed like this?
Are they clean? You know, say, you tell me, say, they dress ordinary. So me, I want they dress extraordinary. I don't change.
You've changed. Just now?
It no matter now. The thing besides, I don't hear what you talk. So, now the new me be this. You know, even see, I even wear the shoe. I wear everything where you buy. And you buy them for me, so I can't wear them. So,
hey, you know what? Just take these off and you don't need to clean, alright? No. You can't even walk properly. No, please. Alright, the house is clean enough. You don't even need to clean, alright? By the way, you took the day off to rest, right? So you go do that. So, yeah, the house is clean. Don't worry about it. Hey, you know, we're just wait 1 second. Let me just hold. Just hold me. Okay, that's good. Then you can. Yeah. Here you go. Take these. Good. Now you can. Don't worry. You don't need to clean. Thank you. Okay.
giggles.
Hey, you fine? Fine.
Okay.
You fine. You can't date nice. You did very, very nice. Very, very nice.
Use your words.
Hey. Hey. You don't get girlfriend.
I understand.
I just be want to tell you thank you. Thank you for the thing you do. For me, all the things what you do for me. I see my tell you thank you.
So is that the important thing you did?
No. Nah, thank you. I want to thank you. I see if I can say it. Thank you.
Breathe.
Hey, hello.
Rookie, wait. Rookie. Rookie. I try you. Okay, I open my mouth, make I tell him everything. Why no fit?
This is not 2025 now. You for just tell him make it come up for your body.
Okay, I no fit. I won't take tell him say I like him now, I don't tell him already say he no be my spec. I won't tell him say I no fit breathe without him now. I no fit, I beg, I no get my, I no fit tell him that one.
If you want this guy, you go still do am. Because now you turn him down before. So now when you don't know say you love him, you better tell him. Hey.
Okay, no fit. What if I tell him say I love him now? He ain't gonna tell me say he no like me again. What I go come do? I beg make I take my day. No fit. I go manage. Hey. I beg you. I tell you say I no fit. What kind of nonsense love be this one now,
Guy, as painful as this is, I can't do it anymore.
What do you mean by that?
I am calling off the engagement.
What?
Please tell everybody, the event planners, the decorators, everybody. Tell them I'm no more interested. They can keep the money. It's off. I can't.
Bro, come on. You love this girl. You can't just give up on what you guys have.
Guy, I cannot. For my peace of mind, for my mental health, for my life, I cannot.
So yeah, my favorite series is Game of Thrones.
Why would you love Game of Thrones? Of all movies in this world. Really?
Have you seen Game of Thrones?
I don't think I should see it though.
It's like the best series in the world ever of all time. Welcome.
And where do you think you're going to?
Babe.
How dare you? You left me outside the last time and you didn't.
Hold on there. I didn't wait him. I be bros no follow you talk. I forget you. Waiting go happen. As they forget you, why you no go your house?
Oi, please, it's enough.
Babe, are you going to sit there and watch this excuse of a woman speak to me that way?
I be waiting.
Yes, you heard me.
Excuse of a woman. Hey, excuse of no wahala, but I know they chase man. You they fight woman on top man matter. You no get shame. See you now, you think say you fight. See your face, you they paint, you paint your head. If you touch me again, what's I gonna do you?
That's enough.
Chief, come on, I go push you.
Don't you dare.
I go push you.
Don't touch me.
I go push
Don't
you.
touch me.
I go push you, break your head. Did they
Look
hear
at
me?
her. Scallywag.
Idiot.
Rubbish.
Shameless woman.
I didn't like that. I told you that I've handled it. What was that for?
She's so mean. She should have at least apologized.
But I told you, I handled it.
That's fine.
Wetin dey even worry me? I don't understand. Which kind of woman I call the mumu like this on top man wey no even knows I love am? What kind of rubbish with this one? Kai. Wetin I go come do like this, No better make I just come out for this house. If I come out like this, we no go dey see each other. If I no see am, me no see me, we no go dey love each other. I mean, me, I no go dey love am. Let me even mess up. Now. Bros been tell me say he love me. Even tell me say he want make I be him babe. I tell him no. My coconut head, I tell him no, say he no be my spec. Now, me dey vex, na me come dey suffer. But that girl, she get luck. She get better luck. She get luck.
Something special, a feeling so strong. It took me unawares, love swept me off my feet. Something special, a feeling so strong. It took me unawares, love swept me off my feet.
You dey crazy? Why you go chop with my people, bros? Something dey worry you for head. I dey ask you.
Hey! Don't shout at me. If I eat food and so,
you dey follow me.
take your pot and cook another one. Is that not why you're here? You lonely little rat.
Yes, you dey crazy. I go.
Don't you dare.
I go.
You will do not touch me. I will do not touch me. Bro, you can't do my leg.
Hey, what is wrong with both of you? What's going on?
This girl, she dey mad.
You are stupid.
You are foolish.
I will descend on
See,
you.
I go into the punch you. The kind of punch I go punch you. And you are the respect of.
And so
now you I go punch.
I will use the leg and scatter. I will
Would you just stop it? Stop!
Nonsense. Look at her. Filthy, disgusting nonsense.
Vulture. Naim you
I
be
don't
now.
blame you.
Vulture.
I don't blame you.
I blame you.
Nonsense.
Look
nah,
at
bros.
you,
local to what?
They local.
Don't call me again. Don't call me again.
With this one.
And you, your days are normal in this house.
I beg come
As for you.
Carry yourself, come out.
Don't shoot. If you raise your voice,
Carry yourself, they come out.
It's okay, it's enough. It's enough.
Look at the person you brought into your house. A mad dog.
Hey.
Look at the way she's shouting. Really like a mad
Yes,
dog.
you be.
I don't blame you. You can't even speak good English.
Oh, the makeup when you have she still wow.
Even if
Carry
you
yourself,
don't
they
get
go.
you do the makeup.
Hey, they go.
Nonsense.
Carry
Look at
yourself,
you.
idiot. Bro, say I don't tell you that this.
No, wahala. I should leave.
Yes, please.
Come
I
out.
should leave.
It's a man you come out.
Daddy, I should leave.
You sabi English, come out. It's a man you come out.
Don't you ever in your life, in your entire life, call me again. Do you hear me?
Now my bros, they talk.
Shut the fuck up. I'm not talking to you.
Get out, Sage. Hey. Say she be. Come
on, you idiot! What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You've been acting up in this house without any explanation. What's going on?
What explanation I won't give you? You didn't bring girls when you get on training, they come this house. I don't understand. She almost said I been cook this for. Why she don't go ask me? She enter my kitchen, go for microwave where I cook. Say I cook rice, jollof rice, fish. Why she don't take the fish where I cook? Now the chicken where I keep for you, she can't carry them the chop. I don't understand.
I don't understand you either. I don't understand.
I mean, don't understand you. You dey hear me? I mean, don't understand you. I don't understand you.
Something special, a feeling so strong. It took me unawares.
We need to talk.
Love swept me.
The whole problem is too much. My friends are threatening to stop visiting me. I need to understand what the hell is going on. When you open up. Can you hear me? Open up.
Love swept me off my feet. Seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is how it feels to be touched by love.
But just come up for this house. You go better see I come up for this house. I don't too like this man. That man too good, Rookie. I don't too like him. If I they look him, if he just die, may I come out. How man go just dey good? This man as he dey like this, he never even see you. We don't buy things for me now. Even if he say he go bring person, we go teach me how to speak better English. Which kind of man be that one? I no fit stay here. May I just gather money, find house, come up for here. Because me I no dey in level, I no dey in class, I no fit be in girlfriend.
Now this one be the problem. This is your low self-esteem. But wait, why you dey look yourself less? Eh? Happy you don't forget say you be fine girl. You know they look mirror. Wait. Na character you no get. Na fine you no fine. Eh? Oh, your English abi. The boy don't complain. He tell you say you no like the pidgin when you dey speak. See, this one wey you dey do so I no understand though. Hey, you need to learn from this because this one wey you dey do so you no go work. We go find we'll take settle am. Hey.
How?
Hi, Michael.
You know you're really hurting your man.
What do you mean?
Do you know that he actually planned an engagement?
Wow.
He called everybody, he called the caterers, he called the event planners, and he just called some few days ago to cancel.
What?
Yes. Because instead of you to respect your man and be there for your man, you're spending more time with another man that is your friend. You claim he's your best friend when your man should be your best friend. Right now, you're about to lose one of the best things that's ever happened to you. Ray loves you. Ray wants to spend the rest of his life with you, but you are working with somebody else, dedicating your whole life to another man, like as if he's the one that you want to spend the rest of your life with. So I want to ask you, do you really love Ray?
I do. You know I do.
Then do something about it before you lose him forever.
Babe. I'm deeply, deeply sorry for the way I've been treating you. For the way I've been handling our relationship. Honestly, there's nothing going on between me and Dan. We have been friends for so long. But that's not my excuse. I want you to be my man. You're the one I love. I can't live without you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please. Forgive me, please. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's fine. It's okay. Rosie, I love you.
I love you too. I can't live without you.
I can't live without you too.
You said you wanted to see me. Here I am.
I say make I come tell you say who you love you.
What?
She love you well well. What's that? She dey fear. You see all this character wey she dey exhibit is na because say she love you. She don't know how she want to tell you because people tell her no. And she fit just die oh. Her chest go just dey beat anyhow. She dey feel me, no tell her, no make her she no tell you.
Yeah.
Okay, then where you dey go now?
I'll take care of the bills. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Something special, a feeling so strong. It took me unawares, love swept me off my feet.
Are you in love with me? Your friend said you're in love with me, so please don't lie.
Yes. Not true.
So why didn't you tell me? You said I wasn't your spec.
That time not before now. Now that time when I be no say I go like you. Now I don't like you. I won't love you.
But I know they your level, like I know they your class, I don't know book, so I know fit tell you. Now you know they the same level.
Love isn't about class, or status, or even physical attributes. And all those things you mentioned, they can be worked on. I've liked you from the very beginning, regardless of whatever.
You not like me again. Now those girls them you like. And them you like.
What are you talking about? That's not true. Yes, it's true. Maybe I've been around a couple of women, but I don't like any of them. And honestly speaking, I did a lot of things to get over you. But it didn't work. My heart belongs to you.
No, not true.
Only. Don't you ever look down on yourself. Don't you ever feel like you're not worthy of some blessings or goodwill just because of your educational qualifications or looks or background? These things don't matter in the grand scheme of things. Just be yourself. Come as you are. And that's good enough. Okay? It's okay. It's okay.
You say you still like me.
I love you. Only. What, you're not going to say it back?
I love you now. You say I love you. I love you. I be won't even tell you that day where I tell you say you fine, but I know if it come. Try.
It's okay, come on.
Love swept me off my feet. Something special. I'm feeling so strong. It took me unawares. Love swept me off my feet. Seems like magic, feeling butterflies. This is